Yes, good morning to all. Yes, beta, we are doing the chapter number 1. Clear? Chapter 1 is growing plants. And we have done this. What is this? It is germination. Clear? And sorry, I'm going to share the screen again. This is what we have already done. Today we will do the
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, beta. You have to keep yourself muted. Now let's start. We are doing chapter 1, growing plants. Clear? Name the process by which a seed grows into a new plant. You have to write it in the chat box. Name the process in which seed grows into the tiny plant. What do we call this process? Yes, write your answer. It's germination. Clear? You have to be quick. Now we are going to do, we have also done this vegetative propagation. It is the method of growing plants from the body parts other than the seeds. When we do not uh, use seeds to grow the new plant, we use other body parts of the plant, then it is called vegetative propagation. अब आपको images दिखेंगे, you have to write the name of the plant and you have to write which part of that plant is used to grow the new plant. So what is this? This is mushroom. Which part is used? Spores. Okay, spores are used to grow the new plant. Now, next is, what is this? The next one is sugarcane. Sugarcane stem is used. Very good. Stem is used to grow the new plants. And next picture is of fern. In ferns, spores are used. You can see beads-like structures are there on the lower part of the leaf. This is called spore. And spores are used to grow the new plants. Clear? Now see the next one. Name this plant. It is bryophyllum. And on bryophyllum, tiny new plants are grown from the edges of the leaf. So leaf is used to grow the new plants in bryophyllum. Now you can easily recognize this plant. This is money plant. And which part is used to grow the new plant in money plant? It is stem. Okay, you have to write the answers. And in potato, which part is used? In potato, stem is used. Underground stem we call it. So underground stem has eyes, we call them buds. These are used to grow the new plants. Now, today we are going to do the next topic, that is agriculture. Clear? Agriculture means practice of growing plants on a large scale. Okay, when we grow the plants, when we grow the crops on large scale, in order to get food, fodder of animals, and fiber, oil, etc., then we call it agriculture. Agriculture is the practice of growing plants on large scale. Why do we grow the plants on large scale? To get the food. Some plants are grown to get the fodder of animals, पशुओं के चारे के लिए. Some plants are used to get fiber like cotton, jute, okay? And some plants are grown to get the seeds, and seeds are used to get oil like sunflower, mustard, etc. So what is agriculture? Practice of growing plants on a large scale. And when plants of the same kind are grown in a particular area at a particular season, then those same kind of plants are called crop. What is crop? What do you mean by crop? Crop is the same kind of plant grown in a particular area. एक field में एक ही तरह के plants grow करते हैं और वो particular season में करते हैं. Like ये आपको दिख रहा है, कौन सी crop है? Write it in the chat box. Very good. This is rice. कौन सी crop है? Rice. पूरे field में सभी एक ही तरह के plants grow करते हैं और वो particular season में करते हैं. Like जो rice है, we grow in the rainy season. Clear? So this is crop. Crop means same kind of plants grown in a particular season. Okay. Now, next this is another crop, sugarcane. Clear? Sugarcane के जो area में, field में same kind of plants, sugar plants are grown, we call it sugarcane crop. Crop means same kind of plants. Now there are steps of agriculture. We have to follow some steps in order to grow the plants on large scale. The first one is ploughing. It means preparing the soil to make it soft, to lose the soil, so that this is the traditional method to sow the to prepare the soil. Okay, the farmer is ploughing the field plough कर रहा है, but इसमें traditional way से वो कर रहा है. Bullocks are used, and now what is used? Tractors are used. Okay, metallic ploughs are used. Machinery जो है वो modern हो गई है आजकल, but ये this is the traditional method. इसमें bullocks use करते हैं to lose the soil, to make the soil soft, so that seeds can germinate and roots of the plants can go deep into the soil. Okay. Now, after preparing the soil, after loosening of the soil, what is added? Manure. Manure means it is something prepared from, we call it compost also, or manure. It is organic fertilizer. It is used to, it enables the plants to grow well. It gives the nutrients to the plants. It is prepared from the organic waste, like cow dung and kitchen waste. Okay, it is prepared by the action of microbes. Manure is added to improve the fertility of the soil so that plants can grow well. This is manure. Now this is fertilizer. Okay, farmers add fertilizers to the crops also in order to improve the productivity, कि उनकी जो फसल है उसकी पैदावार अच्छी हो, प्रोड्यूस अच्छी हो. They use fertilizers also. Manure जो है वो होममेड होती है, घर पे जहाँ फार्म हाउस पे बनती है, बट फर्टिलाइजर्स दे आर प्रिपेयर्ड इन द फैक्ट्रीज. ओके, वो केमिकल्स होती हैं, दे आर प्रिपेयर्ड इन द फैक्ट्रीज. नाउ सोइंग सीड्स. After loosening the soil, after adding manure, then we sow the seeds. Clear? Now these days seed drills are used to sow the seed. पहले broadcasting होती थी, means वो हाथ से बीज बोते थे. अब क्या यूज हो रहा है? ट्रैक्टर्स के साथ सीड ड्रिल्स यूज होती हैं. वो प्रॉपर स्पेस पे और प्रॉपर डेप्थ पे सीड्स को सो करती हैं, सो दैट अ गुड प्रोड्यूस कैन बी टेकन फ्रॉम द फील्ड. Clear? So after sowing the seeds, the next step is irrigation. Irrigation means providing water to the crop at regular intervals. At different stages, plants at the different stages of growth, plants need water supply. अगर हम उनको प्रॉपर वाटर सप्लाई नहीं देते तो उनकी जो क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन है वो लेस हो जाती है. So we need to provide the water at regular intervals. The process of providing water to the crop is called irrigation. Okay? So irrigation means पानी देना. अगर आपके ये फील्ड का नहीं पता तो आप घर पे ग्रो करते हो ना प्लांट्स, तो भी आप उनको इरिगेट करते हो. You provide water to the plants so that they grow well. Clear? What is the use of water? Water is required for photosynthesis. Clear? So leaves of the plants, they do photosynthesis, they need water. So water is provided at regular intervals, and roots of the plants, they absorb water from the soil. Okay? And next step, after that there is spraying of chemicals, means protection of the crop. Crop is protected by spraying certain chemicals. We call them pesticides and insecticides. Pesticides are the chemicals which are used to kill the pest. Clear? Pest means mice, rats, birds, etc. And some insects, they also grow, they are harmful for the crop. They destroy the crop. So in order to kill the insect, insecticides are used. Like BHC, malathion powder. Clear? इनको पानी में घोल के स्प्रे करती हैं सो दैट जो बर्ड्स रैट्स हैं वो क्रॉप को डैमेज ना करें और जो फार्मर्स हैं उनको अच्छी प्रोड्यूस मिल जाए. So spray chemicals are sprayed in order to protect the crop from pests and insects. And after this, the next step is harvesting of crops. अब फसल पक जाती है, then we need to cut it to gather the grains. That is called harvesting of crops. Clear? Harvesting means cutting and gathering of mature crop. अब पहले seeds को पहले soil को lose किया, then manure add की, then sowing of seeds. After that, then spraying करते हैं, then irrigation is there. Then when crop ripens, फसल पक जाती है, then we cut it and we gather the mature crop. This is called harvesting of crop. Clear? These were the different steps which are to be followed to grow the crops. These were the different steps of agriculture, and hope all the things are clear to you. Okay. Now next, when you go towards the hillsides like Himachal में जाते हो तो you see these type of field. What do we call? Step farming or terrace farming. Clear? ये क्या है? Step farming or terrace farming means soil is steps are cut into the hill. Hill में steps cut करते हैं in order to prevent the soil erosion, in order to improve the fertility of the soil. जो top upper part of the hill होता है वहाँ पे जो fertile soil होता है, it is carried by the water towards the lower side of the hill when it rains. जब बारिश होती है तो पानी ऊपर टॉप अपर साइड से नीचे को पानी जाता है तो वो साथ में क्या लेके जाता है? Top fertile soil जो होता है, top layer of soil which is fertile, it is also carried by water towards the lower hill. This causes soil erosion. To prevent it, what is done? Steps are cut. अगर एक स्टेप पे सॉइल इरोड हो रहा है तो इट विल डिपॉजिट ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. वो नीचे सीधा लोअर वो खाई में नहीं जाएगा. कहाँ पे जाता है? इट गेट डिपॉजिटेड ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. लाइक अगर एक स्टेप से सॉइल इरोड हो रहा है पानी के साथ तो इट विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे इरोड हुआ, इट विल डिपॉजिट ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. So this way it prevents the soil erosion. And it is easy to grow the crops on the steps in the hilly sides. And now crops and seasons. Particular crops are grown in a particular season. सभी क्रॉप्स को उगाने का एक प्रॉपर पीरियड होता है. लाइक राइस, शुगर केन, मेज जो आपको पिक्चर में दिख रहे हैं, दे आर ग्रोन इन रेनी सीजन. व्हेन वी सो द सीड्स, it is rainy season. Starting of the rainy season means July. Then they get ripen in November. In November we cut and gather the crop, that is harvesting of the crop. So they are sown in July and they are harvested in November. So crops which grow from July to November, they are called Kharif crops. And these are the examples of Kharif crops. Okay, these are the Kharif crops. These are grown from July to November. Name the three Kharif crops: rice, sugarcane, and maize. Okay, they depend on monsoon. They need more amount of water to grow, so we sow them in the rainy season. And next, recognize these plants. Towards your left side it is wheat, and towards the right side it is mustard. Clear? So these are the crops which are called Rabi crops, and they are grown from November, जब अभी सर्दी start होती है, and they are harvested in April. अब April चल रहा है ना, so if when you travel somewhere on the road, on the both sides of the road, you can see now wheat crop has ripened. वो ripen हो चुकी है, पक चुकी है wheat crop, and farmers are harvesting the wheat crop. आपको golden color की wheat crop मिलेगी towards both sides, जहाँ पे field होते हैं around on both sides of the road. You can see now it is the harvesting period of the wheat. Wheat is a Rabi crop. Another example of Rabi crop is grams. Clear? Black grams, they are also Rabi crops. So these are the crops which are grown in a particular season. Clear? Now open your book at page 12. Some tips are given. Okay, some tips for good and healthy crop yield. Open your book, page 12. Gomti ma'am, kindly allow Abhineet Kaur to unmute. Abhineet, kindly unmute. Yes, Abhineet. Yes, Agam, kindly unmute, beta.
Beta, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, beta.
Ma'am, allow them to unmute, all of them to means
Yes, ma'am.
give option so that they can.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done.
Okay, beta. Yes,
Done.
Abhineet, beta, read out the first step. First tip, how can we grow the good and healthy crop yield? Crop yield means अच्छी पैदावार, अच्छी फसल लेने के लिए कौन से टिप्स है? Read out the first one, फटाफट से. First one is 12 page. Towards the left side, Tips for good and healthy crop yield. Read out the first point. Yes, Alicia, read out, beta. Alicia.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta, read out.
Ma'am, can I? Use healthy and better.
हाँ जी पढ़िए. Use healthy seed.
And better quality for sowing.
Yes. What type of seed should be used? They should be disease free. उनको कोई बीमारी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Otherwise, our crop yield will be less. फसल अच्छी नहीं होगी. If our seeds are not of good quality. So seeds should be of good quality. अच्छी क्वालिटी की होनी चाहिए. And they should be healthy. Disease free होने चाहिए. Now second point. Yes, read out.
Prepare the land well before sowing.
Yes. Prepare the land well before sowing means we should plow the field very well. We should lose the soil. We should make it soft so that roots can penetrate deep into the soil. Yes. Now, Arshdeep, third point. Don't say may I.
Add manure
Arshdeep.
and fertilizer to the soil.
Yes, add manures and fertilizers to the soil. We should add manure. Manure is better than the fertilizer. Okay, give all the nutrients to the soil and we will get the good crop yield. अच्छी फसल हमें मिल जाती है when we add manure or fertilizer to the soil because it improves the fertility of the soil. Clear? Now next you have to read out Avisha. हाँ जी बेटा रीड आउट.
मीटिंग खत्म होने वाली है फिर अगली बार.
मैंने 2 मिनट पहले ना खत्म होने वाली उसके बाद लगी.
यस बेटा रीड आउट.
येलो हो गया है.
कितना ले लो.
Yes, next is irrigate the plants regularly. Means we should provide the water at proper intervals of time. Some plants they need the water at proper time. Okay, in the initial stages they need to provide the water regularly. So we should provide the water at regular intervals. The next is removal of unwanted plants or weeds from the field for the proper growth of the plant. Sometimes unwanted plants they also grow along with the crop, like grass उग जाता है. When we provide fertilizer or manure, so they will be used by those extra plants also, unwanted plants also. So जो हमारे required plants होते हैं, जो we need for the crop, उनको जो soil में से चाहिए nutrients, वो उसके लिए compete करती है some unwanted plants also.
What is meaning of weed?
Weed means unwanted plants which grow along with the crop. जैसे ग्रास उग जाता है तो गार्डन में से ग्रास एक्स्ट्रा निकालता है. बेटा कीप म्यूटेड. ग्रास इज वीड. unwanted. Clear? Then use of insecticides and pesticides to keep the plant away from the pest. To kill the pest, to kill the insect, we should use pesticides and insecticides. Okay, beta? So you have to read this chapter. We will send the homework. You have to note down the question answers in the notebook also. If any query is there, so you can ask me. 1 minute is there.